Use a stereo microscope. A stereo microscope is one of two types of microscope, with compound microscope being the other one. A stereo microscope uses lower power than the compound one, but is nevertheless effective in viewing live and inanimate objects in their microscopic forms. This is best to be used by children when they want to view the smallest details of insects, bugs, and other kinds of small animals. In a stereo microscope, you can magnify a small insect up to 40 times its original size and still see the entire body, not just a particular body part. Insects become giants when they are magnified by a stereo microscope. Read on to learn more about how to use a stereo microscope. Study the owner's manual. Prior to using the stereo microscope, familiarize yourself with the mechanism and the instructions on how to use it. The stereo microscope is composed of many different parts that serve particular function. There is the eyepiece, where you place your eyes to view the specimen on the plate. The stage plate is where you place the object to be viewed. It has stage clips where you can secure the object while it is being magnified. The top and bottom lighting allows you to adjust the lighting so you can see the specimen better. The lighting control is what you turn to adjust the brightness of the light. And there are the stereo head and rotating objectives, which are connected to the eyepiece. Place the microscope on a flat, steady surface. A table placed on a flat floor should be a good spot to position the microscope. Prepare the specimen that will be magnified. The microscope has a stage plate with clips on the side where you can place the specimen to be viewed. Place the object on the stage plate. You can also use a Petri dish to place a live object, like an insect. The dish will prevent the specimen from jumping and getting out of the plate. Set the eyepiece on the appropriate zoom distance. Place your eyes on the eyepiece and turn the focus knob to zoom in on the object. If you have reached your desired distance and magnification, you can start examining the object. You should turn the focus knob such that you do not have to squint and strain your eyes to focus on the specimen. Adjust the knob. If you want the object magnified more, turn the knob in your desired zooming distance. You can magnify the object closer or further, depending on your preference, so you can study the specimen further. There is a wide variety of objects that you can view on a stereo microscope. You can also view flowers, small plants, soil, and even non-living things that pique your interest. This is a great tool that you can introduce to your small children. They can choose what object to magnify, and you can let them explore and learn by themselves with this equipment. Buying a stereo microscope for your children's use is a good investment because they will learn a lot from using it.